Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to install our TRX90 gusset set onto the TRX90 frames. As you can see in front of us, we already have our gusset set welded into this TRX90 frame, and that's because we want to kind of show you something a little different and show you how our gusset sets look when installed. But also there are sections on this frame that have no gussets but need some extra welding. So we're going to go ahead and show you where each piece goes. Okay, so for the first piece, you're going to be installing piece A. And again, our gusset kits are labeled. And you want the longer side on the front and the shorter side on the bottom. And there's two A pieces, one on either side. So the next piece you want to install is piece B. And there's two B pieces, and that's going to go in the frame right over there. The next piece you're going to be installing is C. And there's two C pieces. And that's going to go in the frame right over there on this side and on the opposite side. So for the next pieces is going to be piece D, and there's four D pieces. So you're going to have it on the upper shock mounts to the frame, and you're going to have another two pieces for the rear upper shock tower right over there. The next piece you're going to be installing is E, and you want the long side on the frame and the short side up on the steering. So the next piece you're going to install is piece F, and it's these small pieces. And that's to brace the lower steering stem, and there's two of them for that. Next piece on the frame is piece G. There's two G pieces, and it's going to go on the back and the front of the plate, and it's going to be not flush to the front and the back, but it's going to sit on top of this plate, and you can stitch weld that in. Then the last piece you want to install for the gusset is piece H, and goes on the frame on either side, and that fits in just like that. Okay, that's it for the gusset pieces. So now we're going to show you where to add extra weld on the frame. So you want to add it on this side over here and on the other side over there. Now the next section to add some extra welding is going to be for the A-arms and the steering stem. So you have all these open gaps around the steering stem. So you want to add welds where there's openings there. On the A-arm brackets you'll see on the front and on the back there's an opening. So you want to go ahead and weld the front, the back on this piece, and the front and back of this piece too. And the final place you want to add some extra welding is going to be for the foot pegs, and it's going to be on the bottom of this bracket, and on the back side on the bottom there you can see it better on this side over here. Just add some welding there, and there you have it, the install video for the TRX90 gusset set. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to check out our other gusset kits that we carry for the TRX400s, 450s, LT80s, Banshees, and we still got more to come. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.